The Fahren Upgraded 9007/HB5 light bulbs deliver impressive performance and functionality that stand out in today's automotive lighting market. With a staggering 22,000 lumens output, these bulbs provide a brightness that is 600% greater than standard options, significantly enhancing visibility during nighttime driving or inclement weather. The cool white 6500K color temperature creates a crisp, clear light that not only improves aesthetics but also helps reduce eye strain and improve reaction time on the road. Whether you're navigating through foggy conditions or cruising down poorly lit highways, the Fahren bulbs ensure that you can see and be seen. One noteworthy feature of these bulbs is their compact 1:1 mini size. This design allows for a straightforward installation process, fitting seamlessly into most vehicles without requiring extensive modifications or professional help. Users can expect a hassle-free setup with a simple plug-and-play mechanism that saves time and effort.